style for today, Boho Locs. The autumn leaves is the color. What is it? Boho Goddess. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I'll leave it in the description. So I'm about to get ready to do this install. We're going to do individuals around the front hairline and then cornrow the back. I absolutely love this brand. I did so many boho installs, with the hair. What I have in my hair right now is boho hair. It's a bob. Oh my goodness. I love this brand. Hands down, just best crochet hair. Handmade, black owned business, great colors, different varieties. It's just the bomb hair. So y'all go check them out. Okay, so this is the first time of her wearing this light color like this. She really wasn't feeling like the brightness at the top. So I have some hairspray, and I was like, okay, well, we can just spray it darker at the roots to get, like an ombre look, like the darker roots, and then it fades out into like the copper and the red tone. So I'm just gonna go around and spray that dark hairspray at the top of the lock to darken it up, because it was a bit much. It's a little light for her. She's used to wearing like dark, 1B hair. Okay, so now we're done. There's a darker roots. She's feeling herself. She like it. So yeah, that's just something that you can do. If it's a little too bright at the roots, just get some black or brown hairspray and just spray the root. I'm going through and putting my finishing shine spray. It smells amazing. Gives just a beautiful shine to crochet hair. Extensions is made for wigs, crochet hair extensions. It's by Design Essentials. If you want to purchase some, just click the link in the description box. It's available.